Hey guys, I'm starting a new series which is about programming basics. I'm going to use Node.js with TypeScript in this series. It's a full tutorial from the beginning to frameworks like React or Node.js, especially like backend with Express. So to get started, we need to download the Node.js from the internet. I'm on a Mac, and you can just press download and then install it. I will leave a link in the description where to download it. And then after you download it, you can go inside of your editor of choice. I'm using NeoVim in the terminal. And if you type there node --version, you see, okay, I'm on version 18.13. And now I can go in the terminal and write node, and here we are, and we can write JavaScript code. For example, let I equal 5, which is a variable. We declare it. I'm going to do further tutorial about it. So if we do it, it's undefined, but when we write I, see it is. And then to exit it, you can press Ctrl C, and that's it. So for the next tutorial, we are going to need a new folder. So we can do this in the terminal with idea, and let's call it variables. And then we can cd in variables. And from here, I'm going to do another video about variables.